In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to your Alibaba Cloud account. Whether you're using Alibaba Cloud for personal projects or business solutions, linking a credit card can streamline payment processes and ensure uninterrupted service. So let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, you need to navigate to the official Alibaba Cloud website. It's essential to make sure you're landing on the right page, so type in https alibabacloud.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, you'll notice your profile icon prominently displayed at the top right corner. Go ahead and click it. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Account Management. This is a critical step because managing your account settings is where all the magic happens regarding payments. Now that you're in Account Management, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see a list of options, and among them is Payment Method. Click on that, and you will enter the section specifically for handling your payment details. This area is your central hub for adding new payment methods, which in our case is your credit card. Once here, look for the option labeled Add Payment Method. Clicking on this will present you with several options for payment types. For our purpose today, you're going to choose credit/debit card. As you might guess, this is where the card information comes into play. Next, you will be entering your card specifics, the name on the card number, expiration date, and that all-important CVV code found on the back of your card. Take a moment to double check these details. Accuracy is crucial to avoid any transaction errors. Once you're satisfied that all information is correct, you can move forward to finalize this addition. Proceed by clicking either Confirm or Submit to send this information for processing. At this point, your credit card details are sent for verification. Alibaba Cloud may perform a minor transaction to ensure the card works properly. Remember, this is typically a small refundable charge, so don't be overly concerned if you see a tiny deduction in your statement. After successful verification, you're all set. Your credit card is now linked to your Alibaba Cloud account, making future transactions seamless and much easier. Congratulations, you've now ensured that your cloud computing services can proceed without interruption, with a simple and dependable payment method securely added. Feel free to explore other settings within your account management and take the time to familiarize yourself with the platform. Thanks for following along, and I hope this video has made the process straightforward and clear for you.